I am your host at All Bookkeeping and Taxes channel. A very warm welcome to you. Friends, I am about to show you something that should make every business owner furious. I see it every day. It is a tragedy of wealth destruction. See here, this is a real tax return. This person is making $284,973 a year in W-2 income. And look at this, line 16. Their federal tax alone is $85,232. Now, add in state tax, and their total tax burden jumps to $114,109. That is 40% of their income just wiped away. Here is what blows my mind. They are taking the standard deduction. No itemizing, no business structure, no real estate tax strategy. They are walking in blind. But the real tragedy isn't just the math, it's the mindset. Why does a smart, successful person let this happen? It happens because they are stuck in the employee trap. When you were an employee, taxes were automatic and invisible. You didn't need a strategy, you just needed to file. But at this level of income, the rules change. You are playing a high-stakes game with an opponent, the IRS, who knows the rule book better than you do. Treating the IRS like a vendor you pay once a year is a mistake that costs you millions over a lifetime. Friends, if you are getting some value from my content, please subscribe, comment, and forward this video to your friends, families. It really helps us with the algorithms on our channel. Thank you. Now, back to Sam's tax return that we strategized and created for him. Hundreds of thousands of dollars of wealth passively from his high-income W-2. Now, let's break down the solution. It's not magic, it's legal engineering. First strategy, S-Corp status. If this person simply elected S-Corp status for their side hustle, they would stop paying self-employment tax on every single dollar. They split their income and save thousands instantly. Second strategy, the solo 401k. This isn't your standard corporate plan. A solo 401k allows much higher contribution limits, up to $69,000 or more, depending on age. That is a massive tax deduction you can take right now. Third strategy, cost segregation. If they own investment properties, we don't just wait 27 years for depreciation. We accelerate it. We bring those future tax breaks into today, potentially wiping out their current tax bill entirely. With proper restructuring, someone in this position could have legally reduced their tax burden significantly using strategies published by the IRS. Do you or someone you know need innovative, legal, tax-compliant advice on bookkeeping and/or taxes? We review and quote free of cost and without any obligations. We are here to help with W-2, 1099, LLC, S-Corp, and most other situations. At allbookkeepingandtaxes.com, we see this every day. Smart, successful people are getting destroyed by taxes because they haven't been shown how to do this. We review thousands of returns like this. We don't just file, we find the missed opportunities. Stop overpaying the IRS. Get a strategy that builds wealth, not just tax bills.